Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into 3 major U.S. economic events happening this week that could have a big impact on the crypto markets. With Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies closely linked to macroeconomic trends, it's important to stay informed about key reports like jobless claims and PMI data. If you're trading or investing in crypto, understanding these events could help you navigate potential market volatility. Let's break down what you need to know. The influence of U.S. economic data on cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, BTC, is becoming more noticeable. With economic uncertainty driving investors toward alternative assets, this week's key macroeconomic events in the U.S. could have a significant impact on the crypto markets. Let's dive into 3 major economic events to watch out for. 1. Initial jobless claims. On Thursday, October 19th, the U.S. will release its weekly report on initial jobless claims, providing insight into the current employment situation. Economists are forecasting approximately 250,000 claims, which would indicate an increase in unemployment, likely driven by recent storms and labor disruptions. Higher than expected jobless claims could lead to renewed expectations for a potential interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve. This scenario might boost Bitcoin, as lower interest rates can increase demand for alternative assets. On the flip side, a lower figure could indicate economic resilience and drive investors toward riskier assets, including crypto. 2. U.S. manufacturing. PMI, also due on Thursday, is the U.S. Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, a key measure of economic health in the manufacturing sector. The PMI is expected to rise slightly from its previous reading of 47.3 to 47.5, but still remain below 50, signaling contraction. If manufacturing picks up and PMI surprises with a stronger than expected figure, it could bolster confidence in the broader economy. This would encourage investment in assets like cryptocurrencies, which are often seen as hedges against inflation. 3. U.S. Services PMI. Similarly, the Services PMI, another crucial indicator, will be released on the same day. While a slight dip is expected, from 55.2 to 55, this figure still reflects expansion in the service sector. Crypto investors should keep an eye on this report, as a positive outcome could signal overall economic strength, driving market sentiment. As these key reports are set to release this week, crypto traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Whether the news leads to a surge in Bitcoin or causes a sell-off, these economic indicators will play a crucial role in shaping market movements. Stay tuned for further updates on these events and their effect